So, you want a logo for your brand, but maybe you're thinking it's too technical or you need special skills. Honestly, that's not the case at all. Really, all you need is a Canva account and a solid idea. That's pretty much it. I'm going to walk you through making a simple round logo step by step, the kind that works great for social media too. First things first, head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, just sign up for free. Their free version is totally fine for logo making. Once you're logged in, look for the Create a Design button up in the top left corner. Click that, then type logo into the search bar and select the logo design option. This gives you a square canvas, 500 by 500 pixels, which is a good standard size for logos. Now you'll see a blank space. You've got a couple of choices here. You can browse the templates on the left side and tweak one to make it yours. Or you can start completely from scratch. I usually go for starting fresh myself just because it feels more original, you know? Okay, step 1, let's set a background. Click anywhere on the canvas itself. Then, look up at the top menu for the color options. You can pick a single solid color or check out the gradient options Canva has. Just choose something that fits your brand's vibe. Now for round logos, add a circle. Go to Elements in the left menu. Search for a circle. Choose whatever you like, either graphic, shape, or photo. Add it to Canvas, resize to fit. Change the color as your brand theme. Next up, add your brand name. Go over to the Text tab on the left menu, click Add a Heading, and type in your name. For this example, I'll use How to Guide Tech. Play around with the font, its size, and the color until it looks nice to you. To get that text curving around in a circle, click on your text box. Then, find the Effects button. Click that, scroll down, and you'll see the Curve option. Play with the slider until the curve looks right with your icon. Now, let's add a little picture or icon that represents what your brand is about. Click the Elements tab on the left and search for icons or illustrations that match your theme. Pick one you like, change its color and size if you want, and place it somewhere that looks good. You can also add other little things like lines, shapes, or patterns from the Elements tab to make your logo unique. Just try different layouts and see what clicks. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're ready to save it. Click the Share button in the top right corner, choose Download, and pick PNG format for the best quality. Hit Download, and your logo will be saved right to your computer. And that's really all there is to creating your own round brand logo. Hope this walkthrough was useful for you. If it helped, giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel means a lot. Drop a like in the comments too so I can say thanks personally. Alright, take care, and good luck with your logo.